So where should you live in Mont Belvieu, Texas? Hey guys, it's William Johnson with William TJ Realty back again for another video. Today we're discussing where to live in Mont Belvieu, Texas. So I'm going to highlight some of the best places to live in Mont Belvieu, Texas. Now this city is amazing, so if I left your neighborhood out, please don't be mad at me. I'm just highlighting a few places to live in Mont Belvieu, Texas. So let's dive right in. So first up, let's head over to Eagle Creek. So this subdivision is all about balance in between comfort and convenience. So the Eagle Creek subdivision in Mont Belvieu is a gem with its beautiful custom built homes on oversized lots. While they are not the newest homes in the area, the age coming around 20 years of age, these homes are spacious and full of character. Located across the top rated Barbers Hill ISD, it's perfect for families looking to be close to everything. The community is vibrant, family oriented. You will often see neighbors outside working and playing and socializing. A convenient plaza at the entrance provides easy access to shops. Living in Eagle Creek means enjoying a blend of comfort, space, and a strong sense of community. So number 2, Fisher's Landing. Now, if you're after a place with a little bit of a country feel but still close to everything, Fisher's Landing will be the place for you. With homes being built in the early 90s located near Old River, this neighborhood has a rich history of being one of the first developed after the city moved east in 1985. The lots here are generously sized, providing plenty of space for families. The community is known for its well-maintained properties and distinctive charm. Residents here are generally older, creating a serene and close-knit atmosphere. Fisher's Landing offers a peaceful lifestyle with strong sense of history and community, making it a perfect choice for those who appreciate the character of an older established neighborhood. Next, we have a 2-in-1 for y'all, Country Creek and Champions Forest. So Country Creek and Champions Forest are both Anglia Homes communities. These are both new communities. They're located on the northern furthest parts of the Mont Belvieu, Texas area, right there before you get to Highway 146, before you get to Dayton, Texas. If you're going up Eagle Drive there, you know, those communities at the very back, these are going to be your Anglia Home communities. Champions Forest is a community that's going to be a little higher scale. They're going to have huge, large lots and huge, nice homes. These homes are going to be very, very large. If you guys want to drive by there and check it out, you can, but these homes are going to be very large, very nice, a little bit up on the price because how large they are. Now the Country Creek subdivision is the homes are a little smaller, a little more affordable, and it's a little further back from the Champions Forest community, and this is also a nice community there in the back. So these are both good options if you guys want to get a new house built to your liking, to your design. These communities will definitely be a place to go. So Anglia Homes is doing a lot of good things in the Mont Belvieu community, building a lot of new construction homes there. So another nice option is going to be Legends Bay. Legends Bay community is filled with nice, beautiful homes. So Legends Bay is a newer community in Mont Belvieu with ongoing construction for new homes, although this community has been here now for quite some years. Legends Bay is located south of I-10. If you're familiar with this area, you know that most of the communities in Mont Belvieu are located north of I-10. Legends Bay is currently still being developed by Canadian Homes. A major highlight of this community is its low tax rate, which is favorable not just compared to Harris County, but also lower than most communities here in Mont Belvieu. This means residents can enjoy a stunning home with more affordable payments. It's an attractive option for those seeking quality homes with a lower cost. So last but not least, let's talk about the Riceland community. This is the most exciting thing going on right now in the Mont Belvieu, Texas area. Riceland community is a new master plan community that Mont Belvieu is getting. Is going to be its biggest community, and it's one of a kind. This community is working closely with the city of Mont Belvieu and the developers, because this community is designed to be in the downtown area and bring people back into the downtown area and bring the community a little more closely knitted together. So a lot of people are excited about the community. This community won't have as large of yards as the other communities I mentioned here, as the norm in Mont Belvieu, Texas. So the houses are still going to be nice and large, but the yards are not going to be so large. There's also going to be an option to get a smaller home. They're going to have alley load product, which is going to have the garage in the back of the house, and they're going to have these little alleys so that you can leave out there. That way the houses are going to be more narrow, and they'll have a garage in the back of the house. These homes are going to look a lot smaller than what they are now. Just because they have this doesn't mean that's all they have. It's going to be a mixture between these homes and a traditional home with a front garage. But don't get me wrong, the alley load product, you don't have to have a small home. There's a lot of alley load products where you can have a 2,800 square foot house. It's just gonna still be an alley load product to where it's gonna be a little more narrow, and your garage will be in the back. So just because you have an alley load product don't mean that you have to have a small house. This community is gonna have a shopping center, shopping plaza there, right there by the city hall area. So everybody is going to use these facilities that this community is going to bring, whether you stay in the Riceland community or not. Everybody's going to use these things. So it's going to be very nice. They're going to have trails all through there. They're right there next to the Eagle Point golf course. So it's right next to that, and yeah, we're just looking forward to see everything that this community has to offer. There's going to be restaurants coming there, and more shopping centers coming there in the future, so stay tuned to that. So as an honorable mention, as a runner-up, I want to mention the Lake of Champions community. I couldn't end the video without mentioning the Lake of Champions community. Lake of Champions community is very nice, has a lot of nice amenities inside of it. So in the next video I make like this, I'll probably have something specific with Lake of Champions, but I just wanted to mention Lake of Champions because you hear the name so much in the Mont Belvieu area, and I did want to just do an honorable mention of Lake of Champions. So there you have it, a tour of some of the best neighborhoods here in the Mont Belvieu, Texas area. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment below some neighborhoods that I missed that you guys like in the Mont Belvieu, Texas area, because there's a lot other ones. Please comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with my content and what's going on, guys. Also, if you are interested in moving to the Mont Belvieu, Texas area, I'm a Mont Belvieu, Texas realtor, and if you got any questions or concerns, make sure you give me a holler. I'm here to help you. I promise I won't bite. Guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to keep up with my content and keep up with what's going on. And guys, comment below on where you would like to stay in Mont Belvieu, Texas. Till then, I will see you guys in the next video.